Okay, so I just got this Telesin multifunctional battery case. This is actually a GoPro Enduro but a third-party battery, right? So I bought this for my GoPro. It cost me 199 ringgit. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. And to do this one-handed this time. Don't have my tripod with me. Takes a little bit of effort. Okay, so out of the box comes with this let me see, manual. So okay, yeah, so you can actually charge 3 batteries compared to the GoPro ones that I have. Basically I can only charge 2 at a time. This one you'll be able to charge 3. Okay, let me bring this out. It's quite tough and really tight. Sure. Okay. Before that, USB cable should be A to C. Yep, A to C. Rubbish. What else is here? There, 2 battery. It's equivalent to the GoPro Enduro battery, right? So this even come in the same color, white. You see, it states the stamina. So it's for GoPro 9, 10 and 11. The GoPro that I have is basically GoPro 10. I bought this like 2 years back, I think. Yeah, so this is stamina. So 2 of these. Brilliant. Used for my diving, for my cycling, wherever I go. Okay, and a little bit more. Yeah, and finally, okay, all the rubbish. This is how it looks like. Oops. Telesin. Right, so you got the indicator. And then, how do you pop this out? So I assume it should be like this. There you go. Oh, quite tight. Alright. So, yeah, so let's see. Pop one in. Should be like this. Oh, interesting. So, okay, these battery are not fully charged. So two bars, right? That means it needs to be charged. And I have my GoPro. Where's my GoPro? Let me see. If I take my GoPro battery, which I just charged recently, here you go. Pop that in. See, yeah, perfect. So my GoPro battery I just charged recently, that's fully charged. This one just out of the box, needs some charging. So the one that I have was actually this. Yeah, I bought this when I buy my GoPro. Right, I bought this so that, you know, I have extra battery. So I only have 2. Now I have 4 at least. So yeah, I think the new one gonna be my handy GoPro battery charger now. Am I able to close this? Oh yeah, you can close this as well. Okay, so let me remove the charge one. Okay, I have my USB-C cable. There. So I guess you just plug it in. Hang on. Is plug in. Ta-da! Okay, so that's how it looks like. Charging. Yep, perfect. And it's not fast charge according to the seller. Yeah, but full charge of battery give me like around, if I were to shoot a 4K 120p, sorry, 4K 120 FPS, It's gonna be around like 40 plus minutes. It's 40 to 50, right? So yeah, I mean, extra battery pack would be handy for me, because I usually record my videos when I go for activities like diving, cycling, right? Yeah, here you go. This is my GoPro 10. Yep. And yeah, it's like some family trips. Yeah, so that's usually when I use my GoPro. Okay, so that's all. Just a quick unboxing, and yeah, you can see it immediately. Right. Ciao. Alright, so after 1.5 hours of charging, finally one battery is fully charged, the other is still charging, not sure why. So let's see, there you go, the other one is still charging, let it charge, no problem. Okay, so I'm gonna put it into my GoPro. Bam, fits in nicely, tuck it in, and ta-da! Alright, battery shows 100%, but I can't tell like how many hours of recording, right? So probably I'll give it a try and I'll keep you guys posted. So yeah, so this battery is the equivalent of the original GoPro Enduro battery. I can only tell you whether it works just like that, maybe slightly not as great as the Enduro, maybe a few minutes lesser hopefully, but let's see, we'll test it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.